Let's learn how to use the flashcards in your Vantage course. Flashcards are a great study tool and can be found at the top of the student dashboard and underneath the picture of your text. Select the flashcard deck for a specific chapter under the chapter list. Toggle between the definition or the term. Flip the flashcard using the rotate icon. Once you understand it, click on Got It. Move back and forth using the arrow keys. Reshuffle the deck by clicking on the shuffle icon. And start over by clicking on the reset icon.